anyone knows about concrete durability, it's Martin Maraziki from Australia. As a specialist consultant, civil engineer, widely published professor, and co-author of 2 books, Martin's experience spans several decades. His main mission is to ensure longevity of buildings and infrastructure with optimum quality and safety. To achieve this, Martin and his team work with advanced inspection software to manage large and complex projects. Armed with data, reports, and communications in one place, Martin is able to develop the most reliable strategies for longer-lasting concrete structures.